Ever get that feeling? You look up and suddenly hours have vanished. You were just checking one thing on your phone and boom, it's like a time warp. I know I've been there. It's frustrating because deep down, you know you could be doing something way more fulfilling. That's why I wanted to share a few things that have seriously helped me break free from that endless scroll. The first game changer for me? Making actual plans. It sounds simple, right? But think about it. How often do you reach for your phone because you're just bored? You don't know what else to do. I used to be terrible at this. I just drift into the digital abyss, but now I try to map out my day, even just a little. A quick to-do list, even on my phone's notes app, makes a huge difference. If scrolling isn't on the list, it's a lot easier to avoid it. And sometimes you have to take drastic measures. I'm not gonna lie, I've deleted apps. Instagram, TikTok, even YouTube sometimes. I've even considered deleting Chrome to stop myself from easily accessing YouTube. It sounds extreme, but if you keep reinstalling them, just keep deleting them. Make it a pain. Make it so annoying to get back on that you just won't bother. It's like building a little wall between you and the temptation. Another thing that's really worked for me is turning solo activities into social ones. For example, I love playing sports. Instead of just going by myself, I started inviting friends. They don't always say yes, and that's okay. But I keep asking, and more often than not, someone joins. It makes it way more fun, and it completely takes my mind off my phone. So, you've got your plans, you've minimized distractions, but what about those moments when the urge to scroll still hits? That's where getting outside comes in. Seriously, fresh air is magic. It's like a reset button for your brain. I try to spend at least an extra 30 minutes outside every day, even if it's just a walk around the block. It's been a game changer. And when you are with people, really be with them. Put your phone away. I know, it's tough. You might feel that phantom buzz in your pocket, but resist. Engage in conversation. It's so much more rewarding than zoning out on your phone. You'll be surprised at the connections you make and the moments you actually remember. But let's be real, sometimes you need something to focus on, a project, a goal. For me, it's this YouTube channel. It gives me a positive way to use social media to connect with you guys. It keeps me from just mindlessly scrolling. Maybe for you it's a sport, a business, or even just hitting the gym regularly. Find that thing that pulls you away from your phone and gives you a sense of purpose. I'm not perfect. I still spend too much time on my phone sometimes. But these things have truly helped me cut down significantly. And if just one of these tips helps you even a little, then it's worth it. So let's make a conscious effort right now to put our phones down and engage with the world around us. Let's not just watch another video and forget about it. Let's actually do something. I genuinely hope this gave you something to think about. Thanks for watching. Peace.